the Chinese, China.
Fireworks erupted on day 2 of discussion on President's address in Lok Sabha. Ruckus broke out after Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi once again mentioned China, quoting from former Army Chief General M.M. Narwane's unpublished memoir.
The relationship between us and the Chinese.
Please continue with your speech, we are waiting, but please avoid referring to a matter which has been settled.
Just like on the first day, the chair interrupted, saying Rahul must speak only on the President's address.
Mr. Venugopal, kindly be seated once again. No, listen. No, please listen. What did you say just now? What is this yar? What is this yar? This is Parliament, this is Lok Sabha. You can't address the chair. You cannot address the chair with yar.
Chaos escalated as the opposition claimed Rahul Gandhi was being gagged by the speaker.
पहली चीज बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं। मोदी जी घबराए हुए हैं।
आप उसको पसंद करो नहीं पसंद करो, लेकिन वो तो लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन इन इंडिया है, उसको तो मानना पड़ेगा, रिस्पेक्ट देना होगा। उसका वॉइस चुप कर देंगे तो हमारा क्या वॉइस होगा?
The situation worsened when the chair attempted to move on to other speakers.
माननीय श्रीमती शताब्दी राय। माननीय श्रीमती शताब्दी राय।
This did not go down well with the opposition. Congress MPs Manikam Tagore, Gurjeet Aujla, Raja Waring, Hebe Eden, Kiran Reddy and Venkat Raman stood on a table and threw papers towards the chair.
So one of the members addressed the chair as Yar, which I found objection to. I took objection to that. Then later on they came onto the table and tore papers and threw at the chair, which is very, very objectionable behavior.
जब लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन को नहीं बोलने देखो, बाकी पीछे बच क्या जाता है। गवर्नमेंट ये डायरेक्शन थोड़ा ना करेगी, ये आप नहीं बोल सकते, ये बोल सकते हो। ये बात सुने, आराम से सुने, जो भी कहते हैं सुन लो, उसके बाद देश के सामने अपना पक्ष भी रखो।
कल पूरा दिन अपोजिशन लीडर राहुल गांधी जी का बोलने नहीं दिया। ऑथेंटिकेट करना है बोल रहे थे। आज ऑथेंटिकेट करके दे दिया राहुल गांधी जी ने, उसके बाद बोलने नहीं दे रहे थे।
The government moved a resolution to suspend the unruly MPs.
Sri Manikam Tagore, Sri Amrinder Singh Raja Waring, Sri Gurjeet Singh Aulia, Sri Hebe Eden Prashant Padole, Sri Dean Karyakos, S. Venkatesh and Kiran Reddy resolved that the above mentioned members may be suspended from the services of the House.
Even as the resolution was being passed, more papers were thrown at the chair. Amid the ruckus, 8 MPs were suspended. Opposition leaders questioned the decision.
यहाँ पे ये तस्वीर आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे राहुल गांधी तमाम सांसदों के साथ खड़े हैं जो सस्पेंड हो गए हैं।
जो सस्पेंडेड है वो आगे आ जाए।
ईबी एडेन, राहुल गुरजीत औजला, राजा वारिंग यहाँ पे मौजूद हैं।
सस्पेंडेड वाले आगे आ जाए।
तमाम कांग्रेस के एमपी मकर द्वार से राहुल गांधी के साथ निकलते हुए यहाँ पे।
The Lok Sabha was adjourned till Wednesday shortly after 3 p.m. on a day that saw much drama and little.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.